What's going on, guys, and happy New Year's. Today is actually January 1st, 2020, so we're gonna go ahead and start that with a bang, and we're gonna do a quick little modifications. Not to the rally art, but I've bought some stuff over the holiday period for the Mazda 3. I know I said I was gonna keep it stock, but we all know the inner modern people, they wanna do something to make the car stand out a little bit more. So for today's video, I'm gonna be installing wind visors, or rain guards, or whatever you guys wanna call them. And yeah, we'll go from there. So it's actually like a real quick mod that anybody can definitely do. All it's going to consist of is cleaning up your car where the visors are going to go, and depending on what you bought is how easy they're going to be or how easy they're not going to be. So mine are just a little 3M tape. Then you click on the side. My rally art, for example, have them right here. I've had them on for about almost 3 years now, and they haven't gone anywhere. And so no complaints there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my Mazda 3 because I'm in Florida and it loves to rain. Let me get some sunlight for you guys. But yeah, it loves to rain out here, so it's kind of an investment to keep me a little cooler during the rainy seasons. And gives it a little more style. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff up here. It's kind of just sitting around. I got some tail lights, I got my spacers, which are gonna go on the Mazda as well. And I have some more stuff planned for it as well, but here is what we're playing with today. I think I bought these off of Amazon, so I'll leave a link down in the description as always. Alright, so if you guys work on your car a lot or just garage activities, I highly recommend go to Walmart and pick up some microfiber towels because they're really cheap. I think I paid like maybe $5 for a pack of 30. And you can just toss them right afterwards, and helps a lot with cleanup and things like that, obviously. Alright, so basically what I'm going to be using is I have a little detailer, my microfiber towels. I'm going to go ahead and give a nice wipe down, because the goal is you want to make sure your surface is as clean as possible. It keeps everything nice and tight to the body of the car. And that is the key to making sure nothing flies off, because like I said before, I've had that one on there for 3 years, no issues. So I did made sure the surface was pretty clean. But honestly, before I go any farther, I want to make sure everything fits up properly. Make sure they sent me the right visors, because these are not generic, but they make them for a whole bunch of different types of cars. And I want to make sure they actually sent the right ones to me. But I don't know if you guys can see, my car is extremely dusty from being in Florida, and that's because we're still in a construction zone. Only a couple more houses left, so it should be a lot more cleaner here pretty soon. Alright, so here we go. I have everything fit up. Looks like it's gonna work just as advertised. So as you can see, it'll come down right over there, and then the front side pretty much matches up this side mirror piece right here. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the surface and peel this 3M tape off and stick it on the car. Alright, 3M tape is off. Surface is prepped. I'm going to go ahead and throw it on here, but I need both hands, so I'm going to put the camera down. Alright, just to show you guys the fitment, here's the front leading edge, comes across and corners off right here where the door is. So it looks pretty good. So once you have that in place, because that's only like semi in place, I didn't push down on it because you want to make sure everything looks good. And you're just going to come around and apply pressure and secure it all the way down. If you really want to make the extra attempt, you can come out here with a heat gun, blow dryer, whatever you want to do. But I'm not going to do that. I didn't do it the first time and it lasts, so if it ain't broken, don't fix it. But that's the process. I'm going to go ahead and do it for the other 3 windows. Alright, so I'm going to be honest with you guys. These are probably going to be temporary. So I'm about to leave the state for business and stuff like that. But yeah, as soon as I get back, I think I'm going to order some new ones, because I'm going to show you what happened. So the front, it fits fantastically. Matches the grooves and everything. Fits up perfectly fine. But the back side of these, the issue is it's kind of too long. See right here, kind of hangs off. If you look on the backhand side, that's where the tape is. So if I drive, I already know that's gonna be flinging around, making noises, and kind of cuts off up here. So it's pretty much too long. That shouldn't be sticking out to here. It should only come up to about here. And the angle on this is all off. But from a distance, it doesn't look too bad. The glare. But from a distance, it don't look too bad. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to get the OEM ones. Yeah, I mean, it'll do for now. Serve its purpose. But there you have it. There's some sun visors or rain visors, whatever you want to call them, on the Mazda 3. They do look nice. It's just that one little flaw towards the end, like I said. But I will definitely update you guys on the new ones I do decide to get, or maybe I don't get new ones. Maybe they pan out working fine. But yeah, there's just something to show you guys. Sorry the car's dirty. It looked a lot better, but holidays were around. I'm not focused on cleaning the car, you know. So yeah, that's about to do it for today's video. As always, I want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life on auto, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.